Hi, welcome back to LegalNoggin. I'm Wendy, and today we're going to talk about something that is a big concern to many people once they have lost their job due to termination, and that is their health care coverage and what they're going to do about that. So I know it can be really scary and overwhelming, but the first thing is not to panic or get overwhelmed. There are things that you can do. For example, first, you might want to check out the healthcare marketplace online and see what might be available to you. Most states also have their own marketplace. Like, for example, Pennsylvania has a marketplace called Penny, which you can find at penny.com. It also covers pre-existing conditions. Additionally, most communities have their own community health care network, which you can look up usually just by Googling a healthy care community network within your community. For example, in York, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Adams County, Pennsylvania, they have a healthy community network called the Healthy Care Card, and you can find that here. If eligible, you can either use this as supplementing your insurance or just helping you during this time while you don't have insurance. It also directs you to other programs if you do not qualify for that program. It's at healthycommunitynetwork.org. In the Pittsburgh area of Pennsylvania, they have a similar site called Community Health Clinic. These services range from discounted prescription prices to dental, to behavioral health issues, and to medical exams at communityhealthclinic.org. Last but not least are discounted prescription prices, which most of you already know about the app GoodRx. However, you might want to see if some of your medications are on the GoodRx Gold Savings plan and see if paying $9.99 a month for individual or $19.99 a month for a family plan would save you in the long run. Some pharmacies also have their own prescription plan that might save you money. For instance, Kroger has their own pharmacy savings plan that you may not know about, so you might want to check that out. Also, Easy Drug Card provides discount savings on CVS pharmacy medications. If you need to use a name brand prescription drug, you might want to consider going to a manufacturer's website directly. If they do not offer or have that savings card, you can call them, and often you can call them directly and ask if they have a savings plan because you've hit financial difficulties and really need your prescription drug. And sometimes they can assist you. Here's an example of a savings card program. These savings card programs can also be used once you do have insurance. Well, I hope these tips do help you during this difficult time. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.